Yo, another day. What should we do today? Probably do more fakie shit. So go up backwards up this thing and pretty much just get as comfortable with fakie stuff as I can be. Maybe that's the way to put it. I don't know. But first we gotta put some tires on a car. So tires, skate. I might as well just bring you along the whole way. A little car action, a little skate action. So. Like a shark in this motherfucker. Try to drown me. Whoops. Once you have the bead pop, you gotta find out where that sensor is. Usually it's right here, underneath that. But you gotta make sure before you pop it out, because that's the only thing in there you can fuck up. You don't wanna fuck up that sensor. The whole thing just fucking raised up. Fuck. I'll record when it's on my car. I'm not gonna record on this car. This ain't mine. See you when I got the skates on. And just like that, the old girl changed another tire. She just keeps on pulling. Again, I'll be back because I ain't fucking with this car. Not gonna do much talking today. Now that the cars are done, money in pocket, working on our fakies. So, you're gonna chill like right. The floor's getting so wet I might try to do some slides. Cause this is fucking with me. I don't do good going backwards, so maybe I'll try a little slide or something. All right, floor's way too wet for that fakie thing, so we're just gonna take dogs on a little city ride. So we're gonna hit downtown, maybe hit Sawyer Point, and see what kind of street spots we can find. Benny's gonna love it, aren't you, bud? He'll probably quit on me halfway through, but Jovi's gonna love it, that's for sure. Wanna go for a walk? Let's go. There's a cool little ledge. No wax. Let's go find another spot. I don't know what event it was or who was here, but at one time they set up a half pipe here back in the day. And it was sick. Like I said, it was kind of low budget, but it was sick. The elephant cages. Usually we're on that side of the river, way down there. kind of just nice getting out and skating the city. seeing all the hot runner chicks. This right here used to be a pretty popular spot when I was younger. This we'd come here. So it was like this fun thing. And there's like these ledges over here. My buddy jumped this entire thing one time. But yeah, so that's pretty much that. I don't think we're gonna get much skating in. Looks like it's gonna rain. So, you know, just get on your blades every day. It's kind of all you can do. I wish I would have brought that water for you guys. We'll go back to the car. Yeah, short day. Day 3, city skating. Just get the wheels under you. That's the main thing. Peace and love.
Benny, we got rained on, didn't we, homie? That wasn't fun. Oh yeah, in the car. Shake off in the car. You know, I was gonna call it a night, but I'm not satisfied with that. I couldn't even make it back to the rail that I wanted to show you that I hit when I was younger. It was my first handrail ever. Basically, no, not the only one, but it's the only one I really had fun on. And when I passed it, and there was a lot of people there, so I didn't videotape because I'm a shy vlogger in public. Lots of hot chick runners running around that area. Anyway, but they have patched up the rail so that you can't hit it anymore. So that's depressing. I'll show it to you anyway. They've cleaned up all the ledges too. You can't really skate there. Looks like they kick you out pretty quick now. You can skate around, you just can't be waxing ledges and shit. Or rails, or grinding. There is a ledge on the, or a rail on the other side that I've decided that I'm gonna hit because they've destroyed my other one. But it's a much more difficult angle to hit it. So we're gonna have to do more practicing before I go for that rail. But in the future, we will be back to that same spot. I will go show you the rail that I can't hit anymore and the new one. But now we're gonna try to do some, you know, session in the, hopefully the floor is not soaking wet because the air's cooled down, so maybe it won't sweat. So we're gonna do that. See you in a bit. Hopefully this thing still works because it took a bath. Power went out. So what else would I do other than get a session? Sometimes it's just the power going out that makes you realize you gotta just have fun. I'm not gonna set any goals tonight. I'm just gonna have fun skating. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Don't put any pressure on yourself to do tricks, to be somebody, to be something better than what you are. Just do the best you can. It's fucking simple, people. Have fun. That's all what this is about, just having fun. It's not about showing off. It's not about what I have and what the things. I'm a very fortunate person. I'm thankful for it. You just gotta breathe. Take it easy. Don't get so hot so fast. Lower that running temperature just a little bit. Like I said, fun sesh tonight. I'll post you up right here. You can watch the whole thing. Or you can just like that button and leave the video. And I won't be mad. Because you know I always love you. Hopefully this will be one video, maybe 2 videos. I don't really know what I already recorded. So, session time. Love you. Wet for this shit.
don't know if you can tell, but that's all fucking wet. It's just slidey time. This ain't working. Fuck.
I live like a movie, young opportunist. Used to make changes to hang with the coolest, but now I'm the coolest. Yeah, I'm grateful.
Yeah, fucking grateful. No wrist guards. Should have been wearing these from the beginning, every single time. Sole feels good. Porn star's still a little funky. Stay, bud. Go lay down. Right there where you were. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Sit. Lay down. Thank you. You're a help. You're a big helper. That one felt better. Sitting back too far. Sitting back way too far. Better. Hell yeah.
What can she do? What can she do? It's her light. It's her light. Work so quick on her job. Sell her house and move along. What can she do? What can she do?
Just took a bail real hard, but I had my wrist guards on, so my wrist is good. And that's basically all I really got hurt. Again, of course. But keep on going. Fuck me. Ah.
You want to finish this?
Fuck. You're gonna pay the price to learn new tricks. Just know that. You gotta get comfortable on rails. I'm not. But fuck it. I'm not, for some reason I'm not scared of this as much as I'm scared of that. Like, I don't know why.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She mess with the temperature. Our road is off, but I am the messenger. There is no stopping this. The king is to hang with the business, but now I'm good with the name. I'm grateful. Thank you for the things you do and say to keep me faithful. Thank you for the time you take to keep my heart from danger. Funny how when strangers stepped in, made up all these changes for the better. Ooh baby, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Ooh baby, yeah, I'm grateful. Ain't the one, girl, you make them run. Ooh girl, you never had to flex with.
I lost the game. I think that I messed up, baby. I'm falling and lost the game. Lost the game, the game. You keep dreaming and not scheming. Yeah, you're dead.
Why are music so scared? Fuck me. Wow. Wow, that was my thumb. Oh, damn. That's not gonna be good. Oh, son of a bitch. All right, it's like 8 in the morning. I've already taken a shot to the side and my thumbnail. Oh my gosh, my thumbnail got basically bent in half. I should have trimmed him. Oh, it's not good. That's the most important appendage on my body, probably too. One of them. Oh man, it doesn't really hurt that bad. On a pain scale, it's probably like a 5, but still. Oh, it's still really not in the best spot. So I'm gonna go take a little rinse because I look beautiful right now. Whew. But I gotta take it easy the rest of the day. Maybe I'll just edit. Get a 2-day sesh. Yeah, that's probably what's gonna happen. It's my hand hurts. Come on in, buddy. Alright. If I haven't already said it, peace and love. You know I love you. I might come back and say it again after I've showered. But then again, maybe I won't, because I don't give up. Love you.